so I just made this recipe for yeast-free, gluten-free, vegan bread. I didn't have a good bread pan, so I decided to use these cupcake trays over here, and it actually turned out to make really handy little cupcake size rolls. And what I want to show you here is how nicely this gluten-free little bread, these little mini breads, come together. So you'll see it kind of depresses, and then we cut it, and yet it didn't crumble. So that's what I want to show you. Look at that sponginess. This is an incredible recipe. I will share it below wherever you're seeing this, either on Twitter or Facebook. But I will share that, and this is the best vegan gluten-free recipe I've come across.